my god!
What's up, guys? It's Grim, and I'm in Jungle Jim's Lakehouse. If you guys didn't see my vlog yesterday on Grim Experience, definitely go check it out. This is what happened.
Those are cat treats!
Oh! My God, isn't it? Don't put pee in my water.
I didn't know this was gonna be fast!
Whoa! Ah, there he goes! What's up, everybody? It's Grim. It's the morning, and Flash Carter is still asleep on the couch. I'm gonna go fart on him. No, you're not. Oh my God. It was somebody's pee that they made me drink.
Who's out there? Oh, they're all awake already. What?
You got kind of grumped.
Oh, God. How is that kid even alive?
Well, he's got that pillow for a barricade. Oh my God. So. You're usually already up. You don't usually smell the morning fart. Sorry.
Oh, God. I think I'm gonna throw up. I didn't even eat anything yet. I'm gonna throw up.
This was supposed to be the Flash Carter. Now you're dying.
You should have let it sit there for a second and then ran.
Oh.
Oh. Where's my inhaler? God.
All right, well, that plan backfired. I just feel like I've been fucking everything up lately. What the fuck is going on? Oh, motherfuckers. I still have that taste of whatever in my mouth.
You're seriously gonna have an asthma attack. I can't even hold it.
You poor thing.
Where is Jungle Jim?
There's no Jungle Jim. There's no Flash Carter. We just went down there to see, have a bagel, have some breakfast, and still no Flash, still no Jungle Jim.
I haven't been out for like hours. Like we've been up for what? 2?
Flash no sells my fart. He's still fast asleep. And we know it was a powerful one because Tina nearly died.
Yeah, that was disgusting. Oh my God. I still taste it.
Oh, he's moving.
He's still asleep. How?
Oh, shit, he's moving. I see the pillow wiggle. All right.
Oh, we tried. We didn't try Jungle Jim yet.
This is how it's gonna go down. So, all right, I'm gonna pull out my bare ass and take a shit right on Flash Carter's head. Here we go.
If you do that, we'll never get invited back here.
It's not Flash's house.
But it's their couch.
Eat it, yeah! I wanted to see if he heard me. It was like, no, don't poo on me.
He didn't even want
You missed breakfast, brother.
Yeah, we ate all the food.
He's like, don't care.
Right before. We still didn't find Jungle Jim yet.
We're going after him. He sent his attack cat after me.
What? Hey, kitty. That's the one that you stole snacks from. Look at him, he still remembers.
Dude, he's staring me down. He's
You,
like,
you touched his snacks.
oh,
He is not a happy kitty.
this is a real match.
He's like, don't you dare touch my snacks. That's just a joke. He's just pretending.
Taking a dump.
He's just pretending. He's like, I'm gonna lay down, and when you walk up, I'm gonna get your balls. He's gonna turn you into a scratching pose.
Somebody's in the, there he is. I came to eliminate you from the Royal Rumble.
How'd you guys sleep? Get out of here, my cat's right here.
Yeah,
You step on Skeletor, I'm throwing you over the top.
He's been protecting you.
Yeah.
That's what I was going to do to you, throw you over the top.
Yeah. So did you come up here to get me? I stayed up until like 3 or 4 in the morning. You know.
We're giving everybody a hand job. We were down there having breakfast at a normal human hour.
Yeah, I don't really have breakfast. I like to. I don't break my fast.
Oh, I see. He just doesn't eat all day. Anorexia is a problem. You can't get help.
Yeah, I'm anorexic. Have you ever seen 14 kids?
I broke his arm, remember?
Yeah, you did.
As food disorders are not
No.
found.
Let's go fart on Flash.
He's still down there?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
You tried and he woke up.
Yeah, so I tried to fart on Flash and then ran, but the fart just went in Tina's mouth.
Oh, that, no, you tried to shit on him the second time.
Watch out, Skeletor.
And then he woke up. Oh, wait. No, you can't waste a perfectly good dog of balls.
Leave the kid alone.
I gave him breakfast, okay? I fed him.
Yeah, we had to feed the child. He's our wrestling son.
He's our wrestling adoptee.
It's time. Hold it. Look at me. I'm the captain now.
Oh, well, we're all gonna die. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Sweetie,
She didn't go very far.
you don't know what you're doing.
I thought you went to the bathroom when we were out of here.
He doesn't
Where
know
were
what
you
he's doing.
taking us? New Orleans? Tokyo?
Nolans.
Vail, Colorado feels like a tough one to get to from here.
I tried. It was an attempt. It was an attempt.
He didn't even know how to start it.
What? Listen, I can start it up. And if I start it up, I'll never stop. We crashed into the side. All right, so that one's called the Rodfather.
The best one I've ever seen, Hunani Tsunami.
I love it. I'm gonna name, baby, remember what we're naming our boat? The sexual innuendo. Robinson Crusoe.
I love it.
What's up, everybody? It's Grim, and we are here on Lake Ho-Pat-Kong. Ho being the key word. Ho! And we got, it's an off-the-boat elimination Regal Rumble. The Regal River Rumble.
Flash says he's too comfy. Maybe we should uncomfort him.
Yes,
He
we're
could
gonna,
ref it. He could ref it.
referee.
Wait, so is
Florentina?
this all of a sudden a tag team match?
It's a tag team match. These two guys
Versus us two?
Sure.
Sure, stepdad.
Really? You're not going to be in it?
Dude, I'm so comfy.
Really?
I had, like no sleep last night.
I think we should put him over first.
Yeah, we
You
should
know
just
why? I
slide him
farted in his face this morning. But you know what happened? I farted on you and then ran, but then it went in Tina's mouth because she was filming you. She
Don't
gagged.
remind me.
show some sportsmanship here, right?
Yeah.
We're all here on vacation. It's our first
Wait, I didn't even think we announced who you guys are in this match. So tell everybody your names.
Hi, we're
It doesn't matter what your name is.
Are you kidding? Hey, wait.
Oh,
The first one's gone.
oh.
The second one's gone. Did we just win? Did we just win?
Did we just win? Did we win? Or am I gonna spear him in the water?
It's really vulnerable right now. Do it.
You went in the drink too.
You know, you hit the water first. You hit the water first.
No, he hit the water first.
It was you, Jungle Jim.
No.
I think with my own
This is so refreshing.
It happened.
It's so nice though. Oh, how refreshing. I won. I was the last one in.
Yes, you did.
Okay. This time, Flash Carter is entering the match, and we're having a rematch. A rematch. The rematch clause. Okay. Are we ready?
We're ready. Flash is
ready?
the referee.
All right. So wait. Let's this time. No, he's in.
Flash
She's
is
the
in?
ref.
I'm in.
He's.
What are you doing sitting down?
Yeah.
Not
Get up,
fighting.
Flash.
Okay.
All right. So let me introduce them first. So you are.
Wade Kruger from the stepdad.
Bradley Belmont, also from the Stepdad.
They are the stepdads.
I'm Dolph Lundgren.
And you know,
That's Dolph Lundgren.
ring the bell.
Ring the bell! Ding, ding, ding!
The bell is
Wait, hold on.
ringing.
Is that a shark?
What do you mean, a shark?
There's a shark in there?
The shark?
Oh! Too stupid!
First
He fell for the
elimination.
oldest trick in the book!
The oldest trick in the book.
And then his stupid tag partner over here. Oh no!
Oh, heck yeah!
Oh no!
Whoa. You're going down.
Oh! Yeet!
Take that, you dumb son of a bitch.
Jungle Jack!
Oh no.
I think there's a shark.
Oh!
Oh God!
He's gonna hit it! He's gonna hit it! No! Yes! Yes! Are you ready for this? That's it!
Suck it, Jungle Jam.
That!
Oh no. Power bomb, do it.
Oh my God!
Oh!
You're going with me.
Oh my God! Oh!
Oh, I got my back.
Oh.
I'm coming to rescue you.
Rock the boat, sweetie! Oh! Woo! Yes, that guy over there. Yes. Woo!
These guys on the boat next to us are literally here.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Baby.
Don't die.
Please don't die.
Yeah.
But did you die?
He bumped like this right here.
Oh no! On what? What hit?
You good though?
You hit your head?
Is anything broken? I don't think so. Are you like hurt, or are you like ow that bumped? Like ow.
Oh.
You want me to get you to the ladder?
Oh man. Oh no! Oh God.
Is he scraped?
Oh, he's bad. He got hit real hard.
Does it look bad?
It's really red.
It's really red.
It's very red. It's gonna be bruised.
Let me see. Stand up.
I'll show you.
Oh yeah.
Oof. Oh. Flash. No. Sweet.
No.
Sweet.
Meanwhile, on Twitter, idiot James Gray can't get the stupid briefcase open, and therefore he should just bring it back to GTS, because I have the key, too stupid. Just bring it. I'll open it. I'll take out what's inside. You can still be Mr. Food in the Fridge. Nobody's trying to take away your fucking win or your briefcase. Just let me get what's inside. The general manager said what's inside that briefcase belongs to me, and it's not supposed to fall in anybody else's hands. So James Gray, bring me back my briefcase. Next time on GTS, I challenge you. As a matter of fact, we want the tag team championships. Bonnet Club should put those titles on the line against DF. We're the #1 contenders. We earned the match. And we'll take you on for the tag team titles next time, right here on GTS Wrestling. And if you're not down with that, we got 3 words for you. Eat it. Yeah!